Hello! Today we're going to have a look at using the Polygonal Lasso for selection. It's one of the basics. It's a bit above the freehand in terms of being clever, but it's useful. It has its uses. Let's have a look at it. So it's found if you go to up here to the freehand selection tool. Maybe you have to right click it if sometimes you've got something else shown, but right click that. Then click on the freehand tool. Then up here we've got the different types we can use. The freehand is one, but we're going to do the polygonal one, or point to point. This is like an ordinary one, so I can click here, but what it does, I can just move around here, and if I click again I get a line, and I click and I get a line, and click and I get a line, and so on. And if I want to go backwards, I want to cancel one of these, I hit backspace and it drops off. There we go, drops off. So if I'm going wrong, I could just go backspace, backspace, and off I go. So, and if I want to stop altogether, backspace won't take me out of this one, so I hit escape, and there, that's a way of cancelling the whole thing. So it's useful for times when you want to be able to use a straight line in particular. It can be used going around other things as well. So let's have a look. Say we're going to select this building on the side here. We want to affect it. We can literally come to here and here and here. If we zoom into it, notice I can still zoom whilst I am got this partly doing. I just control and roll the wheel, and for something that's curved, if I click and hold, it turns into a freehand brush, so I can just move it around here like this until I get to another corner. There we go, and now I can go on and click round to here, and then Control 0 opens it all up again. So click out to here. Now I'm just clicking outside the picture and it'll figure that one out. And when I get to the end, if I double click, it will then sort of zoom in straight to the last one. So double click and it'll fill it in. See the way it snaps into the edge there, and I've now selected this picture here. If I've missed a bit out there, I got that missing. I can always, because I've got add on here, I can just go click down here, let's say click down to there, click up to here, and this line is just adding the whole thing. Now double click, and there you are, it's filled it in. So now Control 0 to look at this. I've now selected the whole building, and I can treat that separately, dark it down, and so on. So there you go. It's a very, very easy tool to use. Useful for selecting things. You click at points, backspace to go backwards, hold down and draw if you want to draw something. To finish it off, you've got to double click somewhere, and if you want to get rid of all the selection, hit escape and it all disappears. So there we go. That was an easy one, wasn't it? Thanks for watching.